Phrasal verbs with look. Look after. Look after. To take care of someone or something. She looks after her younger sister when their parents are at work. Look ahead. Look ahead. To consider or plan for the future. It's important to look ahead and make wise decisions for your career. Look around. Look around. To examine or explore a place. We decided to look around the new neighborhood before choosing a house. Look back. Look back. To think about or reflect on the past. He often looks back on his college days with nostalgia. Look down. Look down. To view something from a higher position or with a condescending attitude. Don't look down on people who are less fortunate than you. Look for. Look for. To search or seek something. I need to look for my keys, I can't find them anywhere. Look forward to. Look forward to. To anticipate or be excited about something in the future. I look forward to meeting you at the conference next week. Look in. Look in. To visit briefly. I'll look in on my grandma this evening to see how she's doing. Look out. Look out. To be cautious or watchful. Look out. There's a car coming from the left. Look over. Look over. To review or examine something. Please look over this report and check for any errors. Look through. Look through. To examine something quickly or browse through it. I'll look through my notes to see if I can find the information you need. Look up. Look up. To search for information in a reference source. You can look up the meaning of that word in the dictionary. Look upon. Look upon. To regard or consider something in a certain way. The company looks upon diversity as a strength. Look into. Look into. To investigate or examine closely. The authorities are going to look into the matter of the missing funds. Look beyond. Look beyond. To consider more than just the obvious aspects. It's important to look beyond appearances and get to know people for who they truly are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.